Is there any solution for the problem of trained freedom fighters who are fighting in the name of Islam presently in Chechnya?
You see, the problem is that many governments are involved, and even the influence of United Nations and America on Russia is not working. They are determined to crush this uprising. As far as the Chechens are concerned, I'm sure that they love Islam. There is no question of it. But they don't know what Islam is. That is the main problem. I met many Chechens, a large group of Chechens in Germany during one of my tours, and interviewed them and gave them opportunity to ask questions. From those questions I realized that they don't know what Islam is at all. Just the love of Islam, which is good. So may Allah accept their jihad in the cause of Islam, but yet they do not know what Islam is. So all we can do is pray. Rabbi Bukhari also came to me, and I told him that international problems are involved, and Muslim governments, those who help, they help slyly and very quietly, and they do not dare to openly help them. And in the present state of affairs, Russia is getting very much against Islam as well. So this Chechnya kickback is not good. Sometimes people ask, and I received a letter from a new convert Ahmadi who was very much depressed about Chechens and their cause. So she wrote to me and asked, if you Ahmadis have no government, why can't they send the private Mujahideen freedom fighters from different countries? But how can we send freedom fighters from England, for instance? The government would not let us do that. Neither from Germany, nor from Pakistan. So there are problems in between. Ahmadis could go there to offer their services, as I said, for the sake of Islam, and also to have opportunity to teach them what true Islam is. But the hurdles are impassable. The others do it by breaking law, which we can't.